Because you too.
It's where the poo fits.
We're the Mario Brothers, and plumbing's a game. We're not like the others who get all the fame. When your sink is on the double, you could call us in trouble. We're faster than the brothers. You'll be hooked on the brothers.
Thank you, Super Mario Bros. It seems like the only thing you haven't drained is my bank account.
Yeah.
For super service, call or text Super Mario Bros. Plumbing today at 92955 Mario.
No. Bruh.